Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about this here altcoin. It's called Zombie Coin, ZBE coin official. It's a new coin that was just started maybe about 3 days ago. It has a really low market cap right now. You know, you can click on their Telegram. They also have the website. Let's see here. Let's go to the Telegram. Here's the Telegram here. They haven't updated the Telegram yet. All right. So the Telegram, you can see here the different websites, ZombieCoin official, Telegram website, zombiecoin.io, the Twitter page, they have a Discord as well. There's some guys on here talking. This is their Telegram group. We'll click on their website. The first zombies on the moon. ZBE, they're going to build a ZombieSwap exchange. You can purchase it on PancakeSwap right now. $ZBE. Have over 2,000 holders in 48 hours. Have a supply of, what's that? A gazillion, I guess? Quadrillion or something? 1,000 trillion. That's what it is. All right. 2% of every transaction is redistributed to the token holder. So it means what? You earn 2% off of every transaction. Contract address is right here on PancakeSwap. Have the roadmap, launch website, launch white paper, and all of that good stuff. Let's go back up to the top. Just want to show you guys something real quick. You guys can check this out yourselves whenever you do your research. Well, it's on PancakeSwap. I think right now 1 trillion of these coins is about $400 at this very moment as I'm speaking. Today, May the, what is it? Whatever day it is. Anyway, so this is it. Zombies on the moon, tokenomics, roadmap, and all that. They have a chart here on PooCoin. Let's see what it is at right now. Oh, my internet is fast, but my phone is slow. This is a cheap Chinese phone. Anyway, let's let this load so I can show you guys the market cap right now really quick. Wow, the PooCoin is $11. Okay. It was just $1 last time I checked. Right now, the market cap is $103,000. The liquidity pool is 52 grand. So here you go, guys. As you can see, there it is. And I am out of here. Peace.